chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 1 double crochet and single crochet on the next double crochet. Repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 1 double crochet and single crochet on the next double crochet. And we will repeat this stitch, chain 5 single crochet all around. And on the last chain 5, slippy stitch on the next slippy stitch. Change color of yarn on round 3. So break this, leaving a 8-inch or more length of yarn tail, and fasten off. Then I'm gonna use red for the third round. And I end here, but I'm gonna fasten the round 3 yarn, leaving a 8-inch or more tail again. And I'm gonna hide the tail as I crochet over the space. So that's one chain is made, and that stands for the single crochet, the first single crochet, then half double crochet, three double crochets on the same space, then at the end of the round, slip stitch on the first chain of the beginning round. So that's the way it looks. Since the tail are already crocheted over, I'll go ahead and clip so that I don't have to worry about it later. I'm using a fray block. this one too. That's how it looks on the wrong side of the flower, the center of the mandala. So this first part of the instruction is completed, this one. Now I'm gonna make the repeat section of the round 4, which is from asterisk to this asterisk. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet, first DC of next petal. First DC is right there. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then skip 1 double crochet. So skip skip this one, this double crochet right here, and single crochet on the next double crochet. And then you repeat the same instructions all around until you have a total of 16 loops. Slip stitch on the beginning, slip stitch. And that's the end of this round. There should be a total of 16 chain 5 loops. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You should have to check every time you finish a round to check for errors. That way you can correct the mistake before you go too far in the work or make the next round.